Anyways, no, by July is not going so great. Okay, whoever came out with No by July, I feel like you were trying to challenge me. It was a test of my willpower, and I have none, as I've learned. Anyways, today's video is a No by July fail. And if you don't know what No by July is, it's apparently a time where you just don't buy anything the entire month of July. Maybe the person who set it up did it because they rhymed by July. Whatever the case may be, I thought I was going to be able to be strong. I thought I was going to be able to do it. I thought I was going to not buy anything. I have so much dip powder. Why do I need more things? I don't know who you are, who these brand owners were. They were like, challenge accepted, and they've been releasing some of the most gorgeous powders ever. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I purchased. I have to switch my camera downwards to show you guys. I even have mail coming in right now, still coming in, but I think I'm done. I think I'm done. So the first thing I bought was these and two other jars that I don't know where they're at right now, so don't judge me. So these are Kiara Sky matte glitters. Well, not just glitter, they're dip powders, but Serene Sky and Your Majesty. So that's these two colors right here. And it doesn't pick up really well, but they're really, really, really pretty in person. And then these two are acrylic. They're acrylic powders, but they're really cheap and really cute. I did them in a mani recently. And so that starts with the No by July. And then working my way down, the next thing I got was from Divine Nail Dips. So I Know What You Did and Can I Give You a Hug? No. And look how cute that powder looks. Like, it is very flaky. I don't know how to explain it. Just, it's very gorgeous. I'm just going to show you the swatch. So it is a flaky, really pretty dip powder right here. Can I Give You a Hug? No. And I Know What You Did. It just seems to go well together. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy those. And then the next thing I purchased is these three colors from Daisy Dips. And the other jar is somewhere over there. But it was three different colors. So these came in a set. I think they were $10 for the set. So it's a cute, like, foily white dip and the matching blue to go with it. I really like blue. I plan on doing a mani with me one of these days, like dip with me. And then I wanted to see if this was anything close to margaritas with my senoritas, and it's close, but it's not quite. So that's a no. What else did I get? I just put them in this bag, so I'm not taking them out right now. But Glitter and Grace has some really gorgeous colors. I think out of all of the brands that I've purchased, she's one of the top brands that I really think are really beautiful. So I'm going to pull out those right now. I wish I had skipped on Dalilah, to be honest. Is it Dalilah? Yeah, because I have so many blues like this, but these, like this combo, these are really, I love these too. Like, these are freaking gorgeous. So Boysenberry Tart, Aphrodite, Pegasus, that's gorgeous, and Grace. I think everybody, like everybody, needs to own Grace, just saying. And then if you like fall colors, then I would get into this realm. So that's those. And then moving on. So what next? You guys already saw my double dip haul. Like, yeah, you don't need to see more. I'm putting those away. And you guys already saw me do a video. If you haven't, hey, I did a video on these. They're really, really stunning. They're from Luminous Dips. Unfortunately, they retire on July 31st, and I'm really sad about that because it's a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. It's the Sea Glass collection. Here, let me show you the jars. They're really pretty jars too. I just really like the way she has her labels made. It's really gorgeous. So, Luminous Dips was on my No by July list. Who else did I buy from? Revel, of course. Like, how can I resist Revel? It's very difficult too. So I purchased from Revel. I purchased Noble because it was on their like last call, not coming back type of thing. Like once it sells out, it's gone forever. I don't know if that's blue or purple, but I'll call it blue, and I'm just gonna live my life thinking it's blue. And then Fallen. I've seen several photos in their Facebook group that shows Fallen over color dips like black and stuff, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is a flaky powdery dip, so imagine that it basically turns colors over top of other colors. It changes color basically because it picks up. It just looks pretty. Just yeah. Over here, where is it? All Powdered Up. That should have been my first one. All Powdered Up has her monthly exclusive. I considered not putting that in the video because nobody can buy it right now, but Anything is Popsicle is gorgeous. And if you haven't seen, these aren't even all the jars from ZOOTY Nails. I have a nice surprise coming very, very soon with that, like that collection. Like I was not blown away with this collection, but then I did a combo with this collection and then it turned out really, really good. So I'm just going to show you my tester swatch of what I did. And I have a video coming in a couple weeks on this. I'm just really excited. Aisle 21, I actually purchased Peel Base from them. I don't even know where I put it, somewhere on this table. Oh, here it is. Aisle 21, I purchased Peel Base in 2 colors. I kind of wish I hadn't, I mean, I don't know if I should have purchased the Clear Glow because it's not like 100% translucent. I was hoping it would be, but it's not, so I don't know. And then Vanessa is actually a color changer. She turns from like this clear glitter to a, oh, she's a UV changer and a glow, to a like light periwinkle blue. Like let me shove her in the LED lamp real quick. Hold on. She is changing in my lamp. See? She changed to a blue and then she's going back. She's very sensitive. So that's what I got from there. Oh, and then I traded with a friend. I traded like a teaspoon of Monster Mash for Oopsie 28. So I finally got my hands on this color from Sparkle & Co. But you know your girl wants to fill this mini jar. So if anybody's trading, hit me up. And then she also sent me a color mix of hers called Dark Souls. I can't wait to swatch it. That looks really fun, just saying. What else did I buy? I know I purchased stamping plates. I know I did. Hold on. Let me go through my mix. Oh, yep. I purchased that. I purchased that. I purchased that. Yep, that's it. So I purchased stamping plates from MANIOLOGY. Like, I have so many. I need to stop. But look at these little whales. Aren't they so pretty? And the little bees. I think it was the bees that sold me, but then the whales did it too. And look at the corgi butt. Oh, it's just so adorable. Okay, I'm done. I really liked this right here on this plate. Plus I liked the whole variety of like tropical and plants and leaves. And look at all the little plants right there. And then this one, I to be honest, I don't even know why I bought it, but I was like, I could probably use this. I could probably do some like reverse stamping magic. Oh, I'm not done. I'm not done. Ooh, my favorite part is fall. She's coming. She's on her way. She's almost here. I'm ready for fall. I'm done with summer. Not really, because we have a pool now, so I'm not so done. But Pearl Glitter Shop. I love Pearl Glitter Shop. It's a glitter store that sells pure glitter. So if you want to mix this with dip powder, you have to get clear dip powder to mix it with. If you are like an acrylic user, you need acrylic powder and resin. If you use gel, you need like gel base. But let me show you these colors from Pearl Glitter Shop. If it'll zoom. So I got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. These 6 on this haul. So it cost me like less than $20 because she had a 20% off sale, but I've been collecting Pearl Glitter Shop glitters for a hot minute now because they're super cute. And these aren't even all the ones I have. There's probably like 4 more that I haven't even swatched because this swatch ring is full, but I just put the numbers on the back right there. So Oh, there's one more thing that I bought, and it's actually not dip powder related, it's actually nail storage related. So I'm going to take a video on my phone and then I'll show you guys and then put that in the video here. Don't mind the mess, but this is everything that, well, not everything. This is the drawer cart. It comes with wheels, but I decided to keep them off. And it comes with this many drawers, and I was able to fit so much, like so much in here, you guys. Like in my rolling cart, things that were taking up 2 drawers, this took up an entire drawer, almost an entire drawer in my rolling cart, and here it takes up half a drawer. And this was taking up a whole drawer, but it was double stacked, and now it's got space and it's single stacked. And this was full in my other drawer, and I was already double stacking, and now it just completely fills just one. So you can definitely double stack your mini jars. I don't know about, like, no, I don't think you can double stack the big, wait, can you? Oh, you can. Okay. Apparently you can double stack the bigger ones. So that's all those. I still have to clean it up. Oh, also, I got this recently. It was sent to me to try out and review and everything, and look how cool it looks. I think it's super cool. I said yes because I was like, well, I'm not gonna say no to trying out a new drill because the one I have is portable, but this one's not portable. So I really like it. You just turn it on like this, so you can, there's a foot pedal that I don't use, but you can just turn it on and turn on the hand portion, and you can do forward, reverse, or off, just your choice. And you can have like your most used drill bits here. The only thing I don't like about it is the sound that it makes. So I'm gonna turn it up and then turn it on. It's definitely louder than my other drill, so that's a con in my book, but it's been doing a great job. I really like it, and I like that instead of when I'm done, I can just like sit here and put the drill bit right here, like the drill handle here, and just that's it. I don't have to keep taking it in and out of my drawer and all that stuff, or have it in the middle of the way. I just like it. I just really like it. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted to see if it holds up in the long run, but this is a heavy piece of a base for the drill. So it's heavier than a portable one, I will say that. So definitely a stationary item, and I totally understand why it's a non-portable. It's not, like, it has to be corded in. It's not rechargeable. So yeah. Okay, so if you held strong during No Buy July, I wanna know, what did you do to hold strong? Because PayPal has my card information, my bank account information. It's just so easy to do. Check, click, check out, there's my address, buy. It is so easy, unless I like remove my card and bank information from PayPal. And then if you didn't hold strong, I wanna know, what things did you buy? Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's like, I'm not trying to laugh at the people who did not know by July. If you did it and you held strong, kudos to you. I wish I had your willpower. And then the people who did not succeed at No by July like I did, it was a fail, I'm telling you. Girl, I'm right there with you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.